Oh, so basically we have some revenge to take part in today.
There is our target. Show them our target.
So the car wash next door is having a midlife crisis and thinks it's a nightclub and starts playing this music at 8:45 AM on a Sunday morning.
No mercy.
No mercy.
No mercy. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's go, just a second. What are we gonna throw?
闭嘴傻逼男. It's mean shut up fuckers.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. One,
Wait.
1, 2, 3, go! Sorry, I missed.
Come on, somebody. Oh no. Oh no. No.
Pick it up. Yes, pick it up. Okay, that's right. Yes. Read it, man. Oh, come on, man. No! We failed.
One more. Again, until they do it.
Kill them all.
Alright.
Kill them all. Perfect! Ready? Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Ah. Pick it up, please. Pick it up. Yes! Yes! Finally! Finally! Finally!